So right now is a flow, and this filter is for a circulation pump. When I stuck the hose in, now from the bottom and just see the bubbles coming out. So when I leave circulating like that, so when I leave the hose, it's just all is gone, it's running, but the pump is hot and definitely is not running. Right now it's circulating through the, just by the pressure on the hose. So that flows, here is this, yeah, it's touching. So definitely the circulation pump doesn't want to start for some reason. So here's my issue.